The Earth is probably the most studied planet in the universe, yet there are still many fascinating facts about it that you might not know. Our home planet has played host to some incredible events throughout its history and has created some of the most beautiful places on Earth, as well as some of the deadliest disasters in human history. Here are 8 interesting facts about Earth that you probably didn't know. Earth is the densest planet in our solar system. Density is defined as mass divided by volume. And when it comes to our solar system, Earth is the clear winner in terms of density. In fact, it's almost twice as dense as Mercury, the next densest planet. This is due to a number of factors, including its iron-rich core and the fact that it has less water than other planets. One of the more interesting facts about Earth is that it might have a hidden liquid ocean deep beneath its surface. The newest theory is based on observations from NASA's Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment (GRACE) mission. The gravitational pull of 2 vast oceans could be warping Earth's crust, scientists now believe. There are many theories about what lies below the surface. Some believe there may be no ocean at all. There's a big hole in Earth's crust. You may have heard that there's a big hole in the Earth's crust. Well, it's true. This hole is called the mantle, and it's about 2,900 kilometers deep. The mantle is made up of hot rock that flows slowly. This rock can sometimes break through the crust, which is why we have volcanoes. The mantle also contains a lot of iron and magnesium, which is why our planet has a magnetic field. Diamonds form from carbon by volcanoes. Diamonds are often thought of as being found in the Earth's mantle, but they can also be found in meteorites. They form from carbon by volcanoes and can be up to billions of years old. Diamonds are the hardest known natural material and have a higher refractive index than any other gemstone. The most famous diamond is the Hope Diamond, which is over 45 carats and has been valued at over $250 million. A 24-hour day on Earth is less than half as long as a day on Venus. A day on Venus lasts for about 243 Earth days. That means that a day on Venus is less than half as long as a day on Earth. The Antarctic ice sheet is getting bigger. The Antarctic ice sheet is the largest single mass of ice on Earth. It covers about 98% of the continent and is almost 2 miles thick in places. The ice sheet is growing at an increasing rate. In the last 30 years, the ice sheet has gained an average of around 50 billion tons of ice each year. This increase in size is due to a combination of factors, including more snowfall in some areas and changes in ocean currents that are bringing warmer water to the region. The extra ice has raised global sea levels by around 0.12 inches since 1979. If the entire Antarctic ice sheet were to melt, it would raise sea levels by more than 180 feet. 20% of Earth's surface is desert. That means that 1/5 of the planet is covered in desert conditions. The largest desert on Earth is the Sahara, which spans across northern Africa. The planet is constantly spinning. The Earth rotates on its axis at a speed of about 1,000 miles per hour. But don't worry, we're not feeling the effects of this rotation because we're spinning along with the planet. If you were to step off of the Earth, you would be quickly pulled back by its gravity. The coldest temperature the Earth has ever seen came from Russia. On July 21, 1983, scientists in the village of Wemykan measured a bone-chilling temperature of minus 128.6 degrees Fahrenheit. That's colder than Antarctica. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.